Hello, viewers. Namaste. I, Kripa from Kids Intelligence, hereby heartily welcome you all to the Superhero Fame Show. Kids Intelligence is a supportive educational institute committed for students' brain development through various training programs. The foundation of this institute was laid by Mrs. Shubhada Bhave, who herself is a young entrepreneur and educationist as well as a nurturing mother. Kids Intelligence is a government recognized institute which was commenced in the year 2009 with 7 students and 1 teacher in Mumbai. But today, Kids Intelligence has reached its epitome by providing employment to 30 plus teachers and team members through the service of students and parents. Kids Intelligence is spread over 30 plus countries worldwide by its efficient process in helping kids to enhance their mental abilities through Abacus education. Kids Intelligence has now become a family of thousands of students, parents, teachers, and team members. Now, to proceed further with our superhero fame show, let us welcome the superhero of our show, Snighada Shanbhag and her parents. Welcome, Snighada. Welcome, Mr. Shanbhag. Welcome to the Superhero Fame Show.
Thank you, madam.
Okay, Snigdha, today you are the superhero of this show. So, Snigdha, what is your feeling? How do you feel today after becoming the superhero?
I feel very becoming the superhero.
Okay, and how many level of Abacus you have completed so far?
I have completed 5 levels. I've completed till the 5th level, and now I'm doing my 6th level.
Okay, and which class, which grade you are studying in school?
Third standard.
Okay, so that is really appreciable performance, Snigdha, that you are in third class and still you have completed 5 level of Abacus training. Really hats off performance. Okay, so Snigdha, how was your so far experience by taking 5 level training Abacus?
My experience of Abacus was very good. I was enjoying. I was learning too. It helped me in maths and learned
Okay,
much more things in Abacus.
very good. Okay, Mr. Shanbhag, how did you come to know about this Abacus?
The journey started in around 2022. So that was during the COVID lockdown. Observation was that obviously children and everyone were getting very, very bored sitting at home. The question was what is it that parents can help the children with something extracurricular, because sports and all could not be done online.
Right.
So definitely wanted to do something that would help in our studies as well. So that is where this thought about Abacus came in. When we started searching which all classes or which all options were there for Abacus, there were a couple of Abacus classes close to our area, but they were all offline. So because of the lockdown, we wanted to prevent that. So one of our colleagues from school mentioned about Kids Intelligence class. So Kids Intelligence, and Mansi Kadam was a teacher for that, who was holding online classes. So initially we were a bit apprehensive whether this online mode would work, and Snighada was just in her second standard, and whether she'll really understand all this, because it's very difficult to understand all this online.
Right.
So requested Mansi madam if we could have one session, and if demo session, so that Snighada will understand what is it about, whether she's comfortable, whether she has a liking. And Mansi madam was very, very helpful into that. She gave us a demo session. She told about the tool, and it was a very nice session. So she explained about Abacus. To take tension, just relax. And I immediately liked it. I mean, there were other things also that Snighada liked immediately, like how Mansi madam was interacting. She told about other things as well, other than Abacus. So that is how the journey started, and we are still continuing with the online class.
Okay.
And you can definitely see the difference that it is helping her with her maths, mental maths. So now she's able to do mental maths also. So even in
Mhm.
school, she's doing it very, very fast as compared to what other students are doing.
Right.
And she's really, really enjoying it a lot. So her class is at around 3 o'clock, and she comes home from school by 2:15. But she'll
Okay.
be still very, very energized, and she always looks for forward for doing this abacus class. So it's thrice in a week.
Okay.
She's totally enjoying it. She even does a revision poster classes. So she
Okay.
this is her favorite class. If we ask her, "Do you want to skip abacus class? Do you want to go out somewhere?" She says, "No, we'll do that later. I don't want to skip abacus."
That's really good. Very good, Snigdha. Keep it up, beta. Okay, so sir, I would like to ask you that as you said that your child is appearing online for the abacus training. So how do you manage the time and her sessions and everything online? Who helps her in adjusting the classes or managing the class timings and everything?
Yeah, right now her sessions are from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock online.
Mhm.
Fortunately, I'm working from home
Mhm.
and manage it onto the laptop. So I just Snigdha has even learned to start the laptop, get
Mhm.
connected on phone. So initially I used to help her. Now she's doing it independently. So she
Okay.
can connect, even when the session gets disconnected, she can manage to connect it online independently. So
Okay.
the 3 to around 4:15 is when our session is, and that's
Mhm.
how we're able to connect to Abacus.
Okay, okay. So that's really appreciable efforts that you put in, sir, that you're working from home as well as you're taking care of the time management of your child's learnings and everything. So that's really appreciable. Okay, so next question that I would like to ask is that while doing this abacus training, as she has been through 5 levels, what all changes did you notice in her academic performance?
Especially as I mentioned earlier, like maths, she's able to do it faster. Even I mean, she's very, very interested in maths now. I mean,
Mhm.
children initially are very skeptical about maths, so now she's very, very interested in that, and
Okay.
she finishes it very fast. Even when the revision is there, school revision is there, she's
Mhm.
able to do it faster. She doesn't. I mean, although we insist that she does maths by the school method, she
Mhm.
does it, and she even calculates with abacus, checks the answer. So that is very appreciable.
Okay.
And to that, Mansi madam has been very, very helpful. So in addition
Okay.
to she teaches her mind exercises,
Okay.
some yoga exercises. So
Okay.
Snigdha practices that as well. So that leads to good concentration as well.
Okay. That's really
So
great.
she,
So, sir, as you said that the classes are online. So, how many days in a week she has her online classes?
Thrice.
Thrice.
right, so Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday is our online
Okay.
class. This is from the fifth level onwards. So first four levels used to be twice in a week. So it
Okay.
used to be Tuesdays and Thursdays. Now
Okay.
since fifth level has a lot of calculations, practice, and all,
Mm-hmm.
we are
Right.
having it twice a week. Yeah.
Okay. So twice a week and thrice a week, as you said, respectively, that she has her classes. Then, apart from these training sessions, how many days a week do you practice, Snigdha?
I practice means every single day I do 2 to 3 pages of abacus.
Okay. So you feel, as a parent, sir, you feel that along with the training session, the practice is also important factor.
Yes.
Yes, yes, absolutely. So we do insist her to keep practicing because the more she practices, the more confidence she gets, and the faster she becomes. So
Okay.
that is why we do insist her to practice. Obviously, when there are times when she cannot practice because there are school exams
Mhm.
or it's important. So on those days, we do skip it, but we try to make it up during the weekends so
Okay.
that at least every week there's a progress and she's able to complete her practice sheets.
Okay. Okay. Sir, here I would like to add one question that earlier during our times when we were in school as a children, we never had such kind of extracurricular things or abacus or anything things, right? And
Right.
now this modern age children, they are into the technological world. They are into abacus learning and other curricular activities as well. So what difference do you find, like the changes are positive or the negative?
No, definitely it is positive. So, as I mentioned, right now she is able to start the classes on her own. She's able to switch on the laptop and do that. So, in terms of that confidence, she is able to do it. And as it helps in her maths, so maths and science will be the basics for her going forward in her curriculum. So if her maths and science are strong at this point of time, that really helps her. So now she has to spend less time for school maths if because of the abacus classes. So in that aspect, she can concentrate on the other subjects. Unfortunately for us, we did not have all these things, so we used to probably concentrate more on the outside games. Yeah, but we do
Right.
a good balance as well. So while the online classes are there and the computer exposure is there, Snigdha also she also ensures that she plays outside for about 1 to 2 hours daily. So that balance has also been kept.
Okay, so again, I would say that your efforts are appreciable, sir. That as a parent, you are managing time with your child, as well as Snigdha is also having holistic, balanced education, wherein she's learning from academics as well as the other curricular activities as
Right.
well. So now, sir, now that she has been through the 5 levels of abacus and everything, there has been a process that you might have seen that earlier they have to take the training, then there are online examinations, and then the results. So this entire process, how do you feel the process goes smooth?
Yes, it's very smooth. So roughly it is taking about 3 months per level, three to three
Okay.
and a half months. So 3 to 3.5 months is the level plus the exams. So after every
Okay.
level completion, Snigdha looks forward. We get about 2 weeks time because the 2 weeks time is for the results to be out and the books to be awaited. So those 2 weeks are very anxious weeks for her. She keeps on asking, when is the next level starting? When am I going to get the books? When am I going to get the
Okay.
cert? When am I going to get the medal? So otherwise, it's a 3.5 week kind of a 3.5 month kind of schedule. So it's really
Okay.
good. We are happy that she's able to do this at a younger age so that in future
Mhm.
it will help her in her school studies, and the earlier she finishes it, then she'll be able to take up other courses as well as time passes.
Right, right, right. That's really good, Snigdha. So here, how would you like to recommend this abacus learning to your friends and the other viewers? Do you
This
like this training? Are you enjoying the abacus learning?
Yes. And
Yes.
my some of my friends go to Abacus, so we discuss also in my school. Also, some of my friends come in my Abacus only because we are one of group of Abacus.
Okay.
So we all discuss. We also discuss in the school.
Okay. That's really good. So would you like to tell other friends of yours and the viewers that how this abacus learning is?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, how would you recommend this abacus learning program to our viewers?
Definitely, it's a very good initiative by Kids Intelligence. The good part is they have both options for online and offline, so that at least the distance and all does not become a problem. Probably this
Time saving program as well.
the COVID and lockdown has helped us in other ways. It has taught us something new with this
Right.
online mode. And definitely it will keep the children interested. I mean, I have personally seen the classes which Mansi teacher has been taking, and
Okay.
all of the children are always interested in abacus. Otherwise, if there's no abacus, I don't know how children would have done in this lockdown period. So I think it's a boon, and
Right.
definitely I will recommend everyone to do this abacus because it will definitely help your child. It will keep their minds sharp and it will definitely help in their academics. And I think all the teachers are very good. We've looked at other sessions as well. Teachers are very helpful, and as I mentioned, right, they teach abacus, they teach mind exercises. So it helps in the cognitive development of the children. So definitely would recommend its intelligence classes. We've got inquiries, so we've redirected a lot of children to kids intelligence, and we'll continue to do that in future as well.
Great, great, great. Thank you so much, sir, for the efforts that you have put in. And we appreciate with whole heart from Kids Intelligence. And thank you, Snighada. Once again, congratulations for becoming superhero. And congratulations, sir, once again for
Yes, sir.
becoming a proud parent of the superhero. Thank you so much. Namaste.